Good morning, students. Today we discuss the chapter phenol, which is represented by the formula C6H5OH. It is one aromatic alcohol. We know aromatic compound, that is benzene nucleus, Obe-Hockel-Zur here. The OH group attached to this carbon atom, which is sp2 hybridized. In this chapter, the total content is method of preparation, physical property, chemical property, and uses. Let us discuss one by one. First is the method of preparation of a phenol. So many methods, 6 to 7 methods are there. We discuss one by one. First method is from diazonium salt. From diazonium salt. It is also laboratory method of preparation. Diazonium salt. A suitable example of diazonium salt is benzene diazonium chloride. Represented by the formula C6H5N2. Its name is benzene diazonium chloride. So, before going to the method of preparation of phenol, let us discuss how this one is formed, the benzene diazonium chloride. Here, the starting material is benzene. When benzene undergoes nitration, means react with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. When benzene treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene is formed. Represented by the formula C6H5NO2. Nitrobenzene form again undergoes reduction. Again undergoes reduction in acid medium, that is stannous in presence of acid. The nitrobenzene form again undergoes reduction to form aniline, aromatic amine aniline. Represented by the formula C6H5NH2 aromatic amine aniline form, then treated with nitrous acid HNO2, rewrite as NaNO2/HCl in ice cold temperature. Ice cold temperature means 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Form benzene diazonium chloride. This method of preparation of benzene diazonium chloride from aniline, otherwise known as diazotization. In this way, we prepare benzene diazonium chloride. So now come to the point, method of preparation. First method, that is diazonium salt. So when benzene diazonium chloride undergoes hydrolysis, hydrolysis means add water, I rewrite as HOH in acid medium upon heating. What happened? Mark that there is a cleavage of this bond. There is a cleavage of this bond. This H combined with this Cl. This H combined with this Cl to form HCl. Second thing, there is a cleavage of N2 from N2. Rest. What is left? This OH attached to benzene ring to form phenol. Its name is phenol. So I repeat again. When benzene diazonium chloride undergo hydrolysis in acid medium, phenol is formed. It is the laboratory method of preparation of phenol. First method. Go through the second method of preparation, that is from sodium benzene sulfonate. Formula is benzene ring SO3 Na, its name is sodium benzene sulfonate. Again, discuss how sodium benzene sulfonate is derived. It is derived from benzene. Mark that when benzene undergoes sulfonation, concentrated sulfuric acid 353 Kelvin, H2SO for rewrite as HOSO3H. Here HOH remove as H2O to form benzene sulfonic acid. This acid treated with alkali NaOH. Then the removal of water resulting in the formation of sodium benzene sulfonate. Now this sodium benzene sulfonate fused with alkali sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide at 573 Kelvin. When sodium benzene sulfonate fused with alkali, sodium phenoxide is formed. OMA is sodium phenoxide. Mark that SO3Na1Na, that is minus Na2SO3, then 2H1O, H2O, 1O1Na, that is sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide followed by acidification, then the release of MaCl, resulting in the formation of phenol. Its name is phenol. So let us recap again. When sodium benzene sulfonate fused with alkali at 573 Kelvin, sodium phenoxide is formed, which upon acidification phenol is formed. This is the second method of preparation. Next, we go to the third method of preparation, that is from chlorobenzene. Otherwise, it is known as Dawes process. That is third method is from chlorobenzene. Otherwise, it is known as Dawes process. So, what is the statement? When chlorobenzene fused with alkali, heated with alkali at 6 to 7 Kelvin under 300 atm pressure. When chlorobenzene heated with alkali at 6 to 7 Kelvin under 300 atm pressure, what is for release of HCl, resulting in the formation of sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide is formed, again followed by acidification. There is a release of sodium chloride, resulting in the formation of phenol. Let us recap the statement. When chlorobenzene fused with alkali at 6 to 7 Kelvin under 300 atm pressure, sodium phenoxide is formed, which upon acidification gives phenol. What is the Grignard reagent? That is alkyl or aryl magnesium halide, represented by the formula RMgX or ARMgX. As we discuss about aromatic, so its formula is C6H5Mg. Its name is phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. What is the statement? When phenyl magnesium bromide undergoes oxidation in ethereal medium, addition product is formed, which upon acidification gives phenol. So mark that when phenyl magnesium bromide undergoes oxidation in ethereal medium, what is formed? One addition product is formed, represented by the formula OMG here. Then it is followed by hydrolysis in acid medium. There is a break of this bond. What is the product is formed? Product is formed phenol plus MgOH. Its name is. So what is the statement? I repeat again. When phenyl magnesium bromide undergoes oxidation in ethereal medium, an addition product is formed, which upon hydrolysis in acid medium, phenol is formed. Again, question arises: how it is formed? Grignard reagent RMGX or ARMGX, how it is formed? Again, starting material is from benzene. That means if we go through benzene, then undergoes halogenation. Here is bromination. Add bromine in presence of FeBr3. What is formed? Bromobenzene is formed. Then this bromobenzene treated with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. It is formed phenyl magnesium bromide. So I repeat the statement. When phenyl magnesium bromide undergoes oxidation in ethereal medium, addition product is formed, which upon acidification gives phenol. It is the third method of preparation. Next we go through fourth method of preparation, that is from salt of salicylic acid. Next method is from sodium salt of salicylic acid. So what is the statement of this one? When sodium salicylate fused with soda lime, what is the soda lime? Mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So when sodium salicylate fused with soda lime, sodium phenoxide is formed, which upon acidification gives phenol. Let us the formula of sodium salicylate. Its name is sodium salicylate. When fused with soda lime mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide when heated. It is the method of decarboxylation, that is, during this process, removal of carbon dioxide. Mark that it is one part, it is R or air, then it is formed. Actually, phenol is formed, but as this reaction is carried out in a container or test tube, alkali is there. That phenol again combine with alkali to form sodium phenoxide. One sodium phenoxide is formed, undergoes again acidification in presence of dilute acid, that is removal of sodium chloride to form phenol. So I repeat the again statement. When sodium salt of salicylic acid, that is sodium salicylate, fused with the soda lime, sodium phenoxide is formed, which upon acidification gives phenol. Preparation. Fifth method is from cumene, cumene. Cumene, that is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. It is otherwise known as industrial method of preparation. Industrial method of preparation. So what is the statement? When the cumene undergoes oxidation from air, one addition product is formed, which is known as cumene hydroperoxide, which upon acidification gives phenol. Let us the equation. Cumene, that is isopropyl benzene, that is cumene, undergoes oxidation from air. What is formed? Cumene hydroperoxide is the formula. It is known as cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide is formed upon acidification. There is a cleavage of this bond. Resulting in the formation of phenol plus acetone. Its name is phenol. Byproduct is acetone. Let us recap the statement again. When cumene, that is isopropyl benzene, undergoes oxidation from air, cumene hydroperoxide is formed, which upon acidification gives phenol.